Hi, my name is Tank and I work for a company called Tractor Tip. And what we have for sale today is a Cat 216 skid steer. We're going to talk a little bit about the mechanics in the first clip, the operating specs in the second, and we're going to run it in the third. Price on a new skid steer like this is about $40,000 to $45,000, just depending on how you have it equipped. The hours currently are about 2,375. It may accumulate because we do use it here on the yard. Caterpillar is one of your top-ranking manufacturers of heavy equipment. It's not because they're cheap. They're good pieces of equipment. Comparable machines to this is like a Bobcat S150 or a Case 410 or a John Deere 315. The weight on this unit is 5,740 pounds. The widest point is this bucket here, and it's at 5 foot 8 inches. The highest point is the top of that cab, 6 foot 6 inches. The transportation length is 11 foot. As far as the history goes on this unit, it is a Texas unit. It should be said that before we purchase any equipment, we have it thoroughly inspected by one of our mechanics and then re-inspect it before we sign a check. As far as some of the options go, it does have auxiliary hydraulics here. It's low flow. And it's got a grapple bucket on it right now. Let's go talk about the motor. It's powered with a 51 horsepower diesel engine. It holds 17 gallons to the tank, which is probably about a 12 to 14 hour day depending on the application. All the fluids are good on this unit. There's no leaks. It is mechanically sound. Everything on it works. Transmission runs through all the gears, forward and reverse. The tires are 10 16.5s. They're roughly about 45-50%. Still pretty good tires. As you can see, there are no cracks or welds in any of the work equipment. Okay, this is a Cat 216, and we're going to talk a little bit about the operating specs on this unit here. It has a hinge pin height of about 9 foot, so whenever you're loading into, say, a dump truck, dumpster, it has a front lifting capacity of 2,600 pounds, as well as a static tip load of 2,600 pounds. We're going to talk a little bit about this grapple here. It is 5 foot 8 inches wide. You got a bucket height of 19 inches and a half. The depth on it is 2.5 feet, and the grapple opening is 36 inches. Okay, this here is the original bucket. You can have the original bucket, the grapple bucket. We also have a set of forks. This bucket here is 5 foot 2 inches wide. It has a height of 19 inches, top to bottom, and it has a depth of 2 foot 4 inches. And the cutting edge on this one's 75 to 80%. Okay, this is the optional set of forks that we have that can go with that skid steer. It has a carriage height of 3 foot 1 inches, a carriage width of 4 foot, and the fork length is 3 foot 6 inches.